I was invited to speak to the FDA about my concerns about medical devices such as heart monitors, dental implants, artificial knees, Oura rings, red light therapy, and glucose meters. I reminded them that more than 95% of medical devices have not been tested on humans, so some are not safe or effective.
I've worked a lot with CMS in the past, and we know that they very much want to be able to cover important medical devices, but they want to make sure that they're reasonable and necessary for Medicare patients. And 85% of Medicare patients are over 65, and the other 15% have chronic disabilities, and unfortunately people with chronic disabilities are usually not included in any clinical trials unless it's a clinical trial about somebody with chronic disabilities. So, if we want that kind of harmonization, and I think there's a lot of reason to want it, I've looked to industry to say, include people over 65 in your studies. That would be really helpful. You want Medicare to pay, you need to study those people.
Companies pay the FDA user fees to hire more staff to review their medical devices to get them on the market more quickly. Since companies are not required to test most devices on humans, that saves them a lot of money. So I think the company's fees should help pay the FDA to find out how many patients are being helped or hurt by our medical devices. As patients, we deserve that.